Hello students, today we'll discuss the assignment number 1 on inequalities. So here this is your first question and solution is what? So you have to solve this inequality, means you have to find the values of x. You have 4x plus 3 less than 6x plus 7. Okay, so subtract 7 from both the side, inequality remains same and you will get this thing less than 6x. Yes, so this thing is what? This thing is 4x minus 4 less than 6x. Now subtract 4x from both the sides, you will get minus 4 less than 6x minus 4x. So from here you can say 2x greater than minus 4. Yes, now divide by 2. So inequality remains same because this is a positive number. So x greater than minus 2. X greater than minus 2 means x belongs to minus 2 to infinity, this interval. So this is your final answer. Got it? Now let's do the next one. Next is, that's your first part, 3x greater than equal to 18. 3x greater than equal to 18. And here you have to find the values of x. So now divide with what? Divide with 3 on both sides. So you will get x greater than equal to 6. Yes. So from here you will get x greater than equal to 6. So you can say x belongs to what? Close 6 to infinity open. Yes, close 6 to infinity open. This is your final answer. Next question, second part. That is what? That is 7 minus 4x. 7 minus 4x greater than minus 17. So now you can subtract 7 from both the side. You will get minus 4x. Yes, you will get what? You will get minus 4x greater than minus 17 minus 7. That is minus 24. Okay. And now divide by minus 4 on both sides. And you are dividing by negative number, so inequality get reversed. So this is x less than minus 24 by minus 4 is, that's 6. Okay, so from here you can say x belongs to minus infinity to 6 open. Okay, x less than 6, so minus infinity to 6 open. Next is third part. So third part is x by 4 plus 3 less than equal to minus 2. So subtract 3 on both sides, you will get x by 4. Yes, you will get x by 4 less than equal to minus 5. Multiply by 4 on both sides, you will get x less than equal to minus 20. So you can say x belongs to where to where? Minus infinity to minus 20 close. So this is what? This is the final answer. Now let's do the next one. Next is here. So first question is, first part is, again you have to solve your inequality, means you have to find the values of x. So here first part is 7x plus 15, 7x plus 15 greater than equal to 9 minus 4x. So you can say add 4x on both sides, you will get 11x plus 15 greater than equal to 9. Now subtract 15 from both sides, you will get 11x greater than equal to minus 6. Now divide by 11 on both sides, you will get x greater than equal to minus 6 by 11. So from here you can say x belongs to what? Minus 6 by 11 to infinity, minus 6 by 11 close. Why? Because we have here equality. Yes, greater than or equal to. So x belongs to minus 6 by 11 to infinity. That's your answer for the first part. Now second part is, for second part we have minus 5 less than equal to 2 minus 3x divided by 4 less than equal to 9. Now multiply both the sides with both sides by 4. Yes, multiply both sides by 4. And this is a positive number, so inequality remains same. So this will be minus 20 less than equal to 2 minus 3x less than equal to 36. Yes, subtract 2 from both the sides, you'll get minus 22 less than equal to minus 3x and less than equal to 34. Yes, now divide by minus 3, and when you divide by minus 3, you know inequality get reversed. So it means that thing is minus 22 by minus 3 is 22 by 3 greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to minus 34 by 3. Okay, minus 34 by 3. Got it? So from here you can say x is x belongs to minus 34 by 3 to 22 by 3 close interval. So this is your final answer. Got it? Now let's do the third one. Third one is, third is 5x minus 6 less than equal to 4. 5x minus 6, 5x minus 6 less than equal to 4, and this is what this is, and 7 minus 3x greater than 2x, greater than or equal to 2x. 7 minus 3x greater than or equal to 2x. Yes, so you have to find the values of x. Okay, so when you simplify it, first one, you will get what? You will get 5x minus 6 less than equal to 4. So add 6 on both sides. You will get 5x less than equal to 10. Okay, now divide by 5 on both sides. You will get x less than equal to 2. So it means x belongs to minus infinity to 2 close. Got it? And this is what this is. Take 3x on the right hand side. You will get what? 7 greater than equal to 5x. Yes, 7 greater than equal to 5x, or you can say 5x greater than equal to 7. Now divide by 5, you will get x greater than equal to 7 by, sorry, 5x less than equal to, okay, sorry. From here you will get what? 7 minus 3x greater than equal to 2x. Take 3x here, you will get 7 greater than equal to 5x. So from here you can say 5x less than equal to 7. So from here x is what? X is less than equal to 7 by 5. Okay, so if x is less than equal to 7 by 5, so it means x belongs to minus infinity to 7 by 5 close. Got it? Now we have situation and here. And means you have to satisfy both the conditions simultaneously. It means you have to take the intersection of these two. Yes. So how can you take the intersection? So sir, let's say this is my real number line. Okay. And first one is, let's say 2 is somewhere here. Okay. And next one is 7 by 5. 7 by 5 is greater than 1 but smaller than 2. Yes. That is 1.4. So 7 by 5 is somewhere here. 7 by 5. Okay. So first one says minus infinity to 2 close, minus infinity to 2 close, and second one says minus infinity to 7 by 5, minus infinity to 7 by 5, and condition is what? You have to find x which satisfy both the conditions simultaneously. So x belongs to this portion and this is what x belongs to. So finally you will get x belongs to minus infinity to 7 by 5 close. Okay, that's your final answer. Got it? Okay, I think in your assignment you have 2 here, so change your answer. That's 7 by 5. Got it? Next one. Next question is, I think that was the last part. Yeah. So now the next question is question number 4. So how can you solve question number 4? You have to find x such that root x minus 5 minus root 9 minus x greater than 1 and x belongs to integers. That's important. Okay. So sir, first of all, these two terms must be defined here. So x minus 5 is defined whenever x minus 5 is greater than equal to 0. Root x minus 5 is defined whenever x minus 5 greater than equal to 0. So you can say x must be greater than or equal to 5. Yes. And second one is what? Second one is 9 minus x. Root 9 minus x is defined whenever 9 minus x is greater than equal to 0. So you can say x is what? X is less than equal to 9. Yes. If you take here, you will get what? X less than equal to 9. So from these two, we can say x belongs to 5 to 9. Greater than or equal to 5 and less than or equal to 9. From these two, we can say x belongs to 5 to 9. And we want integral values. Integral values. So what are the integral values here? So integral values are x is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Now you can check your answer putting these values here. If you put 5 here, for x is equal to 5, for x is equal to 5. Left hand side is what? Left hand side is, for x is equal to 5, left hand side is what? That's 5 minus 5, 0, minus root 9 minus 5, that's 4. Okay, so which is negative value, negative, which is minus, and root 4 is 2, so this is minus 2, and minus 2 cannot be greater than 1, so x cannot be 5. Okay, minus 2 cannot be greater than 1, so it means x cannot take the value 5. So for x is equal to 6, for x is equal to 6, what will happen? Left hand side is sir, 6 minus 5, that's 1, minus 9 minus 6, that's root 3, and root 3 is 1.73. Again, this is what? Negative. This is what? This is some negative value, and negative cannot be greater than 1. Got it? Next one. For x is equal to 7, okay, basically you cannot take x is equal to 6 also. For 7, this is 7 minus 5, that's root 2. Yes. For left hand side will be 7 minus 5, that is root over 2, minus 9 minus 7, that is again root 2, which is equal to 0, and 0 is not greater than 2, so it may greater than 1. 0 is not greater than 1, so you cannot take x is equal to 7 also. So what about x is equal to 8? What about x is equal to 8? X is equal to 8 will be sir, 8 minus 5, that's root 3, minus 9 minus 8, that's 1, root over 1 is 1, so root 3 minus 1 is 0.73, which is not greater than 1. Okay, this is not greater than 1, so you cannot take x is equal to 8 also. What about x is equal to 9? For x is equal to 9, so left hand side will be 9 minus 5, that's root over 4, which is 2, minus 9 minus 9 is 0, and this is what? This is greater than 1, so it means you can take x is equal to 9. So it means final answer is what, sir? Final answer is x is equal to 9 is the only solution for my given inequality. Got it? So this is the answer. Now next question is, yeah, again solve, means find the values of x. So first thing is x minus 1, root x minus 1 is defined whenever x minus 1 greater than equal to 0. So you can say x greater than equal to 1. Okay. Next thing, root 3 minus x is defined whenever this thing is greater than equal to 0. So you can say x less than equal to 3. Okay. Next condition is you have to satisfy this inequality also. So this is again a positive, you can say non-negative, and this is again non-negative. So mode of a greater than mode b implies a square greater than b square. Okay, so you can take the square here. So if you take square, you will get x minus 1 greater than 3 minus x. So you can take x here, 1 here. Okay, so you will get 2x greater than 4. So from here you can say x is greater than 2. Okay, you have to satisfy all these three conditions simultaneously. So first one says x greater than equal to 1. Okay, x greater than equal to 1, let's say 1 is here. Okay, x greater than equal to 1 first. Second is x less than equal to 3, x less than equal to 3, x less than equal to 3, let's say 3 is here, x less than equal to 3, so less than equal to 3. Yes, and next one is x greater than 2, let's say 2 is somewhere here, so x greater than 2. Okay, greater than 2, and you cannot include 2 here, so x greater than 2 is this one. So you have to satisfy all these three conditions simultaneously, so it means you have to take the intersection. So intersection contains these points, that is what 2 to 3 open interval, 2 open and 3 close, that is values of x, that is the collection of values of x, that where x belongs to 2 open to 3 close. Okay, so this is the answer. Got it? Now next one is, find all pair of consecutive odd natural numbers, both of which are larger than 10. Okay, let's say if your number is x, consecutive, you have to find consecutive odd natural number. So next odd natural number is x plus 2, and you are given with what? Both are larger than 10, so x must be greater than 10. Yes, both are larger than both of which are larger than 10. Okay, so x must be greater than 10. Very good. And such that their sum is less than 20. And second condition is what? Their sum is what? X plus 2, that must be less than 40. So from here you can say 2x plus 2 less than 40. So from here you can say 2x less than 38. Subtract 2 from both the sides. Okay, now divide by 2 on both sides. Inequality remains same. So x less than 19. So you have to satisfy this condition and this condition simultaneously. So you can say x belongs to 10 to 19. Okay, from these two, you will get what? X is greater than 10 and less than 19. Yes. Okay, so what are the possible values of x now? X is odd natural number, so 11, 13, 15 and 17. So if x is 11, then x plus 2 is 13, that's 15, that's 17 and that's 19. Yes, you cannot take 19, otherwise 19 and 21, that's 40, and which is not less than 40. Okay, so you have these pairs. Okay, 11, 13, 13, 15, 15, 17, 17, 19. Consecutive odd natural number which where both the numbers are greater than 10 and their sum is less than 40. Okay, so this is your final answer. Got it? Now next one, next question. So here, to receive grade A in a course, one must obtain an average of 90 marks. Okay, your marks must be, average marks must be 90 or more in 5 examination. Okay, average of 90 marks or more in 5 examination, each of 100 marks. Got it? If Sunita's mark in the first 4 examinations are 87, 92, 94 and 95, find the minimum marks that Sunita must obtain in 5th examination to get grade A. So let's say in the 5th examination, marks are X. Okay, she got X marks in her 5th exam. So average is what? Average marks is, average marks, now average marks is equal to sum of all the marks, 87 plus 92 plus 94 plus 95 plus X divided by total number of examinations, these are 5. So now 87 plus 92, that's okay, add them, 360, 360, 363, 368. Yes, 368 plus x by 5. Yes, 368 plus x by 5. Okay, to obtain grade A, her marks must be greater than or equal to 90 average marks. So according to condition we can say, 368 plus x divided by 5 must be greater than equal to 90. So you can say multiply by 5 on both sides, you will get 368 plus x must be greater than equal to 450. Yes, subtract 368 from both sides, you will get x greater than equal to 82. 82. Yes, that is 82. 10 minus 8 is 2 and 44 minus 36 is 8. So x must be greater than equal to 82. So find minimum marks that Sunita must obtain in 5th examination to get grade A. So her mark must be greater than or equal to 82. So minimum marks are 82. Minimum marks is 82. Okay, minimum marks to obtain grade A, that is 82. Okay, so this is what, this is your final answer. Got it? Okay, now the next question is, solve this and show the graph of the solution on the number line. Okay sir, so we have 3x minus 4 by 2 greater than equal to x plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Okay, so multiply both side by 4, you will get what? You will get 2 into 3x minus 4 greater than equal to x plus 1 minus 4. So when you simplify it, you will get 6x minus 8 greater than equal to x minus 3. take x here and 8 here, you will get what? You will get 6x minus x, that's 5x. And if you take 8 here on the right hand side, so sign changes, so this will be greater than equal to, this is now minus 8 and here this is plus 8, so minus 3 plus 8 is plus 5. So x is what? X is greater than equal to 1. Divide by 5 on both sides. Yes, so 6x minus 8 greater than equal to x minus 3. Subtract x on both sides, you will get 5x. Add 8 on both sides, you will get minus 3 plus 8, that's plus 5. So 5x greater than equal to 5, so x must be greater than equal to 1. Okay, so now represent the solution on the number line. So x greater than equal to 1, x greater than equal to 1. So let's say this is your number line and you have 1 somewhere here. Okay, so x is what? Greater than or equal to 1. So x greater than or equal to 1 means equal to 1 or greater than 1. So this is the solution on your number line. Okay, now the next question is question number 9. Solution: find the values of 1 by x if you know the value of x. Okay, so we already know the thing for this. If x belongs to, we know what? We know if x belongs to a comma b, if x belongs to a comma b, okay, let's say close, one is closed, second one is open. Okay, so then, okay, if x belongs to a comma b, a open b close, then 1 by x belongs to, sir, 1 by b to 1 by a. B is here, x can take the value b, so 1 by x can take the value 1 by b. X cannot take a, so 1 by x cannot take 1 by a. So 1 by b close to 1 by a open when a and b are of same sign. When a and b are of same sign. Okay, and second is what? Second is, sir, minus infinity to 1 by a, minus infinity to 1 by a open union close 1 by b to infinity open, minus infinity to 1 by a open union 1 by b close to infinity open when a and b are of opposite sign. Okay, we know this rule. If x belongs to a comma b, then 1 by x belongs to 1 by b to 1 by a when both are of same sign, and minus infinity to 1 by union 1 by b to infinity when both are of opposite sign. Okay, so for the first part now you can say x is what, sir? X is greater than 3. So you can say x belongs to 3 open to infinity open. So 1 by x is where? So from here you can say 1 by x belongs to open 1 by infinity, that is 0 comma 1 by 3 open. Okay, 0 to 1 by 3 open. Next one, second part. So that is x less than minus 2. X less than minus 2. It means what? It means x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 open. So now we can say 1 by x belongs to, both are of same sign, that is 1 by b to 1 by a. 1 by b is minus 1 by 2. Yes, comma minus 1 by infinity, that tends to 0. So this is open. 1 by x belongs to minus 1 by 2 to 0. Okay, and for the third one, third is what? X belongs to minus 1 to 3 and minus 0. Why we are excluding this one? Because you cannot define 1 by x for x is equal to 0. Yes, denominator cannot be 0. So whenever x belongs to minus 1 to 3, obviously here when both are of opposite sign, then x cannot take 0. X is not equal to 0 here. Okay, good. So minus 1 to 3 both are of opposite sign, so you can say 1 by x belongs to minus infinity to 1 by a, that is 1 by minus 1, which is minus 1 open. Okay, union 1 by b, here 3 is not, x cannot take 3, so 1 by x is open 1 by b, so that is 1 by b, which is 1 by 3 to infinity. So this is the value of 1 by x whenever x belongs to minus 1, 2, 3, minus 0. Okay. So now this is your final answer. Now let's do the next one. Next one. Sir, find all the possible values of the expression. You have to find the possible values of this expression. Okay, means you when you give x is equal to 0, you'll get what? 2 by 4. That's 1 by 2. That's a possible value of this expression. When you give x as 1, so you'll get 2 plus 1, 3. 3 upon 4 minus 1, 3. 3 upon 3 is 1. That's again a possible value. Okay, so you have to collect all these values. Means when you give some x to this value, you'll get some output. Okay, so you have to collect all the outputs. Got it? So now how can you find all the possible values? Let's say, sir, this is y. Okay, y is what? Y is 2 plus x square divided by 4 minus x square. Okay, you have to find the possible values of this. It means you have to find all the possible values of y. So now simplify it. When you multiply with 4 minus x square, you will get 4y minus yx square is equal to 2 plus x square. Okay, so from here you can say 4y minus 2 is equal to x square plus yx square. So from here you can say x square into 1 plus y is equal to 4y minus 2. So you can say x square is equal to 4y minus 2, that's 2 into, or let's take 4y minus 2 divided by y plus 1. Okay, and you have to find all the possible values of this expression. Means you have to find all the possible values of your y. And you know one thing about x square, that x square is always greater than equal to 0 for every x belongs to real number. So it means this must be greater than or equal to 0. Yes. And now if this thing is greater than equal to 0, so how can you find the solution? Sir, we know we can find the solution like this. So first of all, draw your number line. Okay, draw your number line. When you draw your number line, now write the zeros of numerator and denominator. Zeros of numerator and denominator. So numerator is 0 at 1 by 2. Okay, so draw this on your number line. And denominator is 0 at minus 1. Okay, denominator is 0 at minus 1. Now, sir, but y cannot take minus 1. Okay, y cannot take minus 1. So draw open circle here. Okay, draw an open circle here. Draw an open circle here. Got it? Next thing. So now these 2 points divide your number line in 3 different parts. One is from minus infinity to minus 1. Yes, one is from this part, minus infinity to minus 1. Next is minus 1 to 2, and next is minus 1 to 1 by 2, and next one is 1 by 2 to infinity. Okay, so now if you take any value here, any value in this portion, if you take any value here, okay, means 1 by 2 to infinity. If you take any value of y from 1 by 2 to infinity, then it means every value is greater than 1 by 2. If value is greater than 1 by 2, so it means 4y greater than 2. Yes. Okay. If y greater than 1 by 2, so 4y is what? 4y is greater than 2. Simple. And if 4y greater than 2, subtract 2. So 4y minus 2 is what? That is greater than 0. Subtract 2 from both the sides. So it means this is a positive value. And whenever y greater than 1 by 2 and add 1, that is also positive. So positive upon positive is positive. So it means yes, you can take all the values here. Okay, you can take all the values here. 1 by 2 to infinity. Can we take 1 by 2? Yes, we can take 1 by 2, because at 1 by 2, this whole thing is what? 0. And yes, 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so it means y belongs to, till now, y belongs to 1 by 2 close to infinity. Till now. Okay, next thing, can we take any value between -1 to half? Can we take any value between -1 to half? Okay, let's check this one. We cannot take -1, yes. If you choose here, so that value is greater than -1 but less than half. Okay, greater than -1 and less than half. So it means if you choose, let's say 0 here, so that will be -2 upon 1, which is a negative. So if you choose any other value here, you'll get negative thing. You'll get what? You'll get the negative thing, or negative is not greater than or equal to 0. It means you cannot choose any y from here, -1 to 1 by 2. Okay, now the last one is what? Sir, if we take any value from -infinity to -1 now, what will happen? Okay, so here in this interval, every value is less than -1. Less than -1. Let's take any value. Let's say -2. -2 is here. So you will get what? -8 -2, -10, negative. And -2 plus 1, -1, again negative. So negative upon negative is positive. Yes, it means we can take all the values from here. Yes or no? So you can say y can take all the values from -infinity to -1, but you cannot include -1. Why? Because at -1 your denominator is 0. So y can take values -infinity to -1 also, union with this. So y can take values from -infinity to -1, union 1 by 2 close to infinity, and these are the possible values of y, and y is this expression. So you can say the possible values of this expression is what? This one. Okay, so that's your answer. Got it? Important question. Okay, now next is what? This is your single correct MCQs now. Okay, so solution is, sir, we have Ram obtained 65 and 80 marks in first two unit test. Okay, the minimum marks you should get in the third test to have an average of at least 70. At least 70. Okay, average of at least 70. Okay then. So let's say in third test he got X marks. Okay, let's say X marks. So what is the average now? Average marks is, so 65 plus 80 plus x divided by 3. So this is equal to 145 plus x divided by 3. Yes, got it. Now sir, uh, the average marks of at least 70. Yes, average marks must be greater than, at least 70 means must be greater than or equal to 70. So according to the condition, you can say this 145 plus x by 3 must be greater than or equal to 70. Now multiply 3 on both sides, you will get 145 plus x greater than or equal to 210. Subtract 145 on both sides, you will get x greater than or equal to, and 210 minus 45, that will be 65. Yes, so x greater than or equal to 65. So if his average marks of at least 70 or greater than 70, okay, if he want average marks greater than or equal to 70, so he must require greater than 65 marks in his third test. Okay, he requires greater than equal to 65 marks in his third test. So total number of marks is x greater than equal to 65. So option number B is the correct one. Okay, x greater than equal to 65. Got it? Now next question is here. Very simple. We know x belongs to 2 to 5. Both are of same sign. So we already know 1 by x belongs to 1 by b, 1 by 5 to 1 by a, which is 1 by 2. Yes. So 1 by 5 to 1 by 2. The final answer is A. Okay. Now let's do the next one. So sir, here x belongs to 2 to infinity, then x square belongs to where? Okay, so x belongs to 2 to infinity. Yes. So if you observe, this is your number line. Okay, for the solution, x is 0 is somewhere here and 2 is somewhere here. So x is greater than or equal to 2. So x is greater than or equal to 2, this portion. So minimum value of x is 2. So x square, minimum value of x square is here, that's 4. Okay. X square cannot be less than 4. Yes, x square cannot be less than 4. Got it? X square is minimum value of x square here, that is 4, and if whenever x is infinity, so x square tends to infinity, so 4 to infinity and 4 close. Why? Because x is equal to 2, so x square can take the value 4, so x square belongs to 4 close to infinity open, 4 close to infinity open. So final answer is D. Okay, so now next question is here. The number of non-positive integral values of x for which this greater than equal to this. Okay, so first thing we have x plus root x greater than equal to root x minus 3. Okay, first thing, first condition is what? When you have some expression, so x can take all those values when all the terms are defined here. So it means this thing is defined whenever x is greater than equal to 0. Okay, so first condition is what? First condition is, sir, x must be greater than equal to 0. That's the first condition. Now, sir, you can cancel root x by root x. How? Basically, we subtract root x from both the sides. When you subtract root x, so you'll get x greater than equal to minus 3. Okay, this is your second condition. This is the second condition and this is your first condition. And you have to satisfy both the conditions simultaneously. So you have to take the intersection of these two. So intersection is what? Intersection is, sir, x greater than equal to 0 and x greater than equal to minus 3. So intersection is x greater than equal to 0. X greater than equal to 0. Okay, that's the final answer. But question says you have to find number of non-positive. Non-positive means which are not positive integral values of x. So here integral values are 0. Integral values are integral values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, but you want non-positive, but all these are positive integral values, so we have only one non-positive integral values, that is 0. So number of non-positive integral values is 1. So final answer is C. Okay, now let's do the next one. The number of integral values of x for which this thing are, this is greater than this means. Okay, so first thing, x minus 1 must be defined. So x minus 1 must be greater than equal to 0. So from here you can say x greater than equal to 1. Second is 3 minus x. Root 3 minus x must be defined. So this thing must be greater than equal to 0. So x less than equal to 3. Now you can take square on both sides. You will get x minus 1 greater than 3 minus x. 3 minus x. So from here when you simplify it, you will get 2x greater than 4. So you can say x greater than 2. Yes, so you have to satisfy all these three conditions simultaneously. Take what? Take the intersection. So intersection is what? 2 to 3. Yes, x belongs to 2 open to 3 close. Got it? And you want number of integral values between 2 to 3, 2 open and 3 close. You have only one integral value, that is x is equal to 3. So answer is for 1, means option number B. Got it? Now let's do the next question. Okay, now your questions belongs to your revision portion. Yes, so let's discuss the first here in 16th question and first question from your revision section. Solution is, so we are given with sin alpha and cos alpha are the roots of the equation, then b square is what? Okay, so you have ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yes, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. it has two roots. This equation has two roots, sine alpha and cos alpha. Sine alpha and cos alpha. So according to the sum of the roots, we know sine alpha plus cos alpha is minus b by, okay, and sine alpha into cos alpha is product of roots, that is c by, okay. Now square on both sides, okay. For this equation, take square on both sides, you will get what? Sine square alpha plus cos square alpha plus 2 sine alpha cos alpha is equal to b square by a square. Yes, taking what? Taking square on both sides, okay. So sine square plus cos square alpha, we already know this is 1 plus sine alpha cos alpha, we already know c by a, so this is 2c by a is equal to b square by a square. So now multiply by a square on both sides, you will get a square plus 2ac, a square plus 2ac is equal to b square, okay. And you want what? Value of b square. So value of b square is a square plus 2ac. So a square plus 2ac, option number B is the correct one. Now next question is question number 17. Okay, question number 17 is, if a and b are the roots of the equation, then a plus b is what? Okay then. So x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0. Okay. X square plus ax plus b is equal to 0 and having two roots a and b. Okay, having two roots a and b. So then find a plus b. A plus b is what? Sum of roots. A plus b, sum of roots. Minus time coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, which is minus a. Okay. And product of roots is ab is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square, that is 1. So this is equal to b. So from here, from these two, you can say a plus b is minus a plus b is minus a, and ab is equal to b. Okay. So now from here, you can say a and minus a here, take a here, that side. So b is equal to minus 2a. B is equal to minus 2a, and when you simplify this one, take b here, so you will get ab minus b is equal to 0. Now take b, so b into a minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, b into a minus 1 is equal to 0. So you have two possibilities from here. Okay, you have two possibilities from here. What are the possibilities? Either b is equal to 0 or a is equal to 1. Okay, so if b is equal to 0, then a is also 0. Okay, if b is equal to 0, then we know b is equal to minus 2a, so a is also 0. A is also 0. Okay, and if a is equal to 1, then b is equal to what? B is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 into a, that's minus 2 into 1, which is minus 2. Okay, so for this case, a plus b is what? A plus b is 0. And for this case, a plus b is what? A plus b, that's minus 1. Yes, a plus b is minus 1. Okay, now, so a plus b value is minus 1 or 0. So which one is the correct option here? Sir, minus 1. So D is the correct one. Okay, got it. Now next one is, next question is 18th question. So your 18th question is, we are given with the value, we have to find the values of k for which the quadratic equation has real and equal roots. A quadratic equation has real or equal roots whenever its discriminant is 0. Yes. So if you observe, a is equal to what? A is equal to, compare with the standard form. So a is equal to 16, b is equal to 4k, and c is equal to 9. Yes. 16x square plus 4kx plus 9. So ABC, we have value of ABC. For real and equal root, d must be 0. D means discriminant, and this is equal to b square minus 4ac, and this thing must be 0. Okay, so from here you can say b square, which is 4k into 4k minus 4a is 16 into c, that's 9. So when you simplify it, you'll get 16k square is equal to, yeah, this thing is equal to 0. And this thing implies what? This thing implies b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now this thing implies 16k square minus uh, 16 into 4 into 9, that's 16 into 36. You can say 16 into 36 is equal to 0. Yes, you can divide by 16, so you'll get k square minus 36 is equal to 0. So this is equal to k minus 6, and k plus 6 is equal to 0. Yes, k square minus 36. So value of k are k is equal to 6 or minus 6. So k is equal to 6 or minus 6. So C is the final answer. Okay. Now next one is what? Next question. Next question is, sorry, y is equal to 1 is common root of the equation, then AB is what? Okay. If y is equal to 1 the common root, then it means if this is the root, so must satisfy by the equation. So you can say for the first one, 1 is the root, a into 1 square plus a plus 3, that is equal to 0. So when you simplify it, you will get a plus a, that's 2a plus 3 is equal to 0. So you can say a is equal to what? A is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, if 1 is the root of this equation, so must satisfy this equation. So it means a into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. So it means 1 square is 1, yes. So a plus a 2a plus 3 is equal to 0. So it means a is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now 1 is also the root of this equation. So it means 1 square plus 1 plus b is equal to 0. So it means 2 plus b is equal to 0. So from here you can say b is equal to minus 2. So if b is equal to minus 2, a is equal to minus 3 by 2, you have to find ab. So a into b is equal to minus 3 by 2 into minus 2. So you can cancel 2 by 2, minus with minus. So final answer is 3. So AB is equal to 3. So A is the correct answer. Got it? Now next one is, and the last question of your assignment. If one root of the equation be the reciprocal of the other, then find the value of lambda. Okay, so it means if one root is alpha, so second is 1 by alpha. Reciprocal means this thing. Yes. So now product of root is what? Product of root is alpha into 1 by alpha. This is equal to constant term. Constant term is lambda minus 4 divided by coefficient of x square, which is 4. So this thing is 1 is equal to lambda minus 4 by 4. So from here you can say lambda minus 4 is equal to 4 and lambda is equal to 8. Okay, lambda is equal to 8. So final answer is what? Final answer is A. Got it? So lambda is 8 and this is your final answer. Okay students, so this is your assignment number 1 on inequality, and in next video we'll discuss the assignment number 2 on your inequalities. Till then, bye bye. Thank you everyone.